Well, hello. Welcome to the first video on the channel. Good to have you with us. Today we are going to be doing some art. I know, right? It's really nice. We are going to be making an Xbox wall mount, I guess you could call it. So, I just came here to get some tools. So, we're just going to get this started. And this is going to be a short video. Probably part one of like 3 or 4, maybe 2. So yeah, we're just gonna go into time lapse right about now. Well, sorry. That took a little bit longer than expected. That thing was really hard to get open. Well done on you, Microsoft. Well done on you. Needed to clear that. So, I think this is what we're going to go with for now. I could change it up in the future, but this is going to be part 1. There's probably going to be 2 to 3 parts, maybe 4, depending on how much time it takes to do this. I spent about 45 minutes taking that controller apart, so I have no idea how long this episode is going to be. So, I hope you enjoyed. Welcome to the channel. Hope you stay a while. Love y'all. See ya in the next video.